and they connect to a 3850 stacked switch, SEC INT 3001. There is a PacketShaper between the 3850 and the ASR routers, basically for the internet. What else? Oops, where's okay, we've got Synfuels itself. So that's approximately, I would say, from where I used to sit on the eastern side to the data center MDC, it's about around 10 kilometers distance. So that's to SEC 307. That's the distribution for the western side mostly, and as well as SEC 305, which is sitting at Scoffy's west. So these two distributions, plus the new one, SEC 3000, which is also in MDC, are the distribution switches for the western side, and SEC 301 and 3 are the distribution switches for the eastern side. One's sitting in Scoffy's east, which is like a main control room for the whole of Synfuels. That's where they control all the plants, or all the plants basically report to them all their statuses and gas flows and everything, and then they decide basically, okay, cut back on gas there, or we need steam for this plant. So they control that, and that's where the 26500s are. All these switches are running VSS. SEC 3000 is not on SUP 2Ts. They're still running the older supervisory modules with VSS. And as well as fertilizers also running the older supervisories with VSS. These ones here. Fertilizers is, not sure what the distance is, but it's a little bit of a drive. It's past one mine, and then you get to fertilizers. You've got fertilizers, and from fertilizers you also have SMX connecting, which is Sasol explosives. They manufacture explosives, and fertilizers manufactures fertilizer. They've got a single 26500 in VSS on with the older SUPs. And this was the first VSS setup deployed in Sasol by IO. Okay, in terms of other plants, we've got SECPOL, which is the polymers site within the primary area, secondary area. They've got 26500s. There, as far as I know, there's no more really way to pull in new fibers, because when they built the plant, apparently they filled up the